Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Black Seed Tarot by Theresa Hutch. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this deck my way. I am very excited because I do really love Theresa Hutch's artwork. And this retails for $22.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you could legitimately purchase this should you want to. Alrighty, let's get into it. Everything starts with a seed. Inspired by the multiple health benefits associated with black cumin seed, Black Seed Tarot reminds us to nurture the seeds of positivity, particularly love and compassion. Charming animal guides and playful scenes invite us to create heart connections with the lessons of tarot and nature. Each card, painted in Theresa's signature watercolor style, is associated with one of the 7 chakras to help us understand the energetic and spiritual aspects of our human motivations. Includes 78 card tarot deck, chakra heart card, and a 105-page illustrated guidebook. All right. Alrighty. Oh, there's the card there for the chakras. Before we get into the cards, I do want to take a look at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know before utilizing this. We do have a table of contents. Oh, nice. Water the right seeds. So more info about the inspiration, chakra connection. That's really cool. The minor arcana, major arcana, and then it goes into each of the cards' meanings, and we'll get into this more after the flip through. Okay, I'm going to unwrap these and I'll be right back. All right, so this is the chakra card. So it shows you the information there. Each tarot card has a chakra connection. They're shown throughout the guidebook with the individual card descriptions. Then it gives you more information here on the back. That's really cool. All right, and here's the back of the card. That's so pretty. Her art is just so beautiful. And it is in that nice US Game Systems cardstock where it's not too thick and it's not super thin, so it's going to shuffle really nice. Snaps back and it's sturdy. And there's a slight gloss to it, but I would not call this deck a gloss deck. Have the title and the number down below. Oh my goodness, look at that sweet baby. Oh. Gorgeous. That little pomegranate. Oh. Oh, sweet. Oh, yay, we have the dolphins in here. Oh. Oh, I love the sloth. I really love that symbolism. Oh. Oh, that's really neat. I really like that death card. Cheeky. Oh, I love the lunar moth. Oh, stop. That's so sweet. Little cat sunbathing. Oh, that's my favorite thing that they do. Like, they just love to like lay out and they'll stretch their paws. Oh, love watching them. All right, this is beautiful. I am excited. Now we are in the minors. So aces of wands, suit of wands. Oh, precious. I love the whimsy in this deck. It's very grounded, but at the same time, it has that fun and playful energy as well. Love that. I'm excited to get into the guidebook. Oh, I love it. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a very soft spot for animal decks. Cute. Oh my God. It's simply precious. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You might not be able to see. There we go. Oh, cute. That's cool. Oh, wow. I don't think I see very many camels in decks. That's really cool. Oh. Love. Love, love, love. Swords. Oh, that's fun. Oh. I do like this juxtaposition. Instead of having like the bird have something sticking in, it's just the little barbed wire there. I like that. That's creative. Cute. Oh, the hummingbirds. I love the trees in the background. They show that quickness. The attention to detail is really great. Pentacles. Cute. Love this rendition. Love it. Squirrels. Oh, that's great. The symbolism is so fantastic in this deck. Precious. I would just want to boop the snoot. Well done. So fun. It's gentle, but it's not like too cutesy, if that makes sense. There's a lot of seriousness in there as well. Shuffle's just great. Nice. I think this is adorable. If you enjoyed her White Sage Tarot, I think you would enjoy this one as well. The shuffle's great this way too. Awesome. Can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're going to read for Death. So that's what it looks like. And then here's the page here. So upright meaning, cycles of life transformation. The Death card suggests transformation that can help you connect to your higher self. It is not uncommon to see a dead deer corpse on the side of the highway. The deer's spirit body rises above it, adding light to the darkest night. The tree stump in the front has been cut by an axe. It is also dead, but mushrooms now grow where the rotting log stands. The Death card reminds us that our physical forms are temporary and regeneration is a part of life. This card points to transitions in life, including job changes, relationship shifts, or the end of an era. So reversed, we have inertia, resisting change. Shift with the currents of your life. When you dig your heels in to resist change, it only creates suffering. There are many paths up the mountain of life, but in the end, we all end up in the same place. No one knows when your time is up. Live every day like it will be your last. So the chakra that's associated with it is the 7th chakra, Sahasrara, crown white light. This is adorable. And it gives the same upright and reverse meanings in the minors as well. Fantastic. It's so cute. It's so sweet. I love the additions of adding the chakras here as well. I love her art, so I will forever be a fan. I think she does amazing work here. So I am very excited about this. I think it's beautifully done. I think the symbols are there. It shuffles great. The quality is great. I'm not mad at the price. I have no complaints. So with that being said, I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you own any of Theresa's other works? Let me know that as well. Thank you so much to US Game Systems. Again, I am so excited to get to know this a little bit more. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.